Be careful, Trevor. You're going to fall through it.
I might fall. Do you want a pine cone to put on there? I need to do this one.
What are you doing, Trevor?
What are you doing, Trevor?
No, I'm asking you, what are you doing? Look at Mommy and tell me what you're doing.
I'm fixing a tree.
You're fixing the tree?
With that corn.
You're going to make it pretty? That's a pine cone.
A pine cone. He's making a pine cone. Here, this one's plastic. Plastic ball. Plastic ball. Where'd it go?
And just stick it anywhere.
Put where you want to put it. Where?
Oh.
Up here? Yes. Look at the other one. Okay. What one do you want? Oh, this one. Oh. Stickers. Those stickers. Just gotta tie a knot in there. This one's
Just keep putting them in.
go first.
All right.